Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in a gallery app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our gallery, and now we have to choose the photo that we want to edit. Then we have to click on this icon right here, edit. And as you can see, here we have some auto effects that our device is putting on our photo. We can crop the photo and rotate it. Like this. We can put on some filters from popular atmosphere film. There are so many sections of the filters. We can adjust exposure, brightness, contrast, saturation, vibrance, warmth, tint, highlights, shadows, light range, dark range, curve, HSL, posterize, dispersion, denoise, clarity, fade, grain, sharpness and vignette. We can doodle something on the photo like this. We can write something. We can just put on mosaic like this, or like this, or even like this. We can frame the photo, but it can be only used on the photos that were taken by this device. We have here also sky option. We can put on some stickers and frame it like this. Now we can save it, and that's it. As you can see, it was saved as a copy of the original photo. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!